Hello, Christ University students. Congratulations on your acceptance into this esteemed institution. Now let us work on your next big concern, finding a new home away from home. We at Pod Hostels are all about striking that perfect balance between personal space and a vibrant community vibe. With a half-acre property, an epic gym facility, dining and hangout spaces, you'll have plenty of opportunities to connect with your fellow students while also ensuring that you have your personal space in your very own private room. Each housing unit will feature two well-ventilated rooms connected by a common hall and washroom. Let's take a look at our first room, which is larger in size with a generously sized cupboard, under the bed storage, and a ledge for storage along the wall. The study table is included within the room itself. Here is the second room, thoughtfully designed with abundant storage solutions including a cupboard, under the bed storage, and a ledge along the wall. The study table for this room will be positioned in the hall, making it a more pocket-friendly option. To avoid the hassles of returning to the PG, we conveniently offer freshly served lunch right opposite Christ University. The upcoming clip showcases the actual route from Christ University to RPG, which is situated just 700 meters away. So what are you waiting for? Join our vibrant student community. See you there!